Good morning. A complication question was put to me to answer for that, but I am not in a better position to answer that question. Therefore, I want to share with you all. A boy is residing with his mother, and his father is a bishop, and he was initially caring and taking care of the child. The child was much attached with the father, and recently the father is dissociating with the child, not caring, not visiting him. So what to do? What will be the remedy? So normally, if the father want to have custody or visitation right or holidays mingling, he may approach the court under Family Court Act, Family Courts, and under Guardianship and Wards Act, because they are belonging to Christian community. But unfortunately, in the given case, the child want to go with the father. He is very fond of meeting him. And so, what would be the remedy? So, according to me, after searching, due search, the child is also entitled for the remedy by filing civil suit, common law process. If there is no other remedy, statutory remedy or any other remedy specifically provided, then they can file suit. So the suit can be, according to me, suit can be filed against the father on behalf of the child represented by his mother, natural guardian, to have visiting right of the father. This is what I said. Then apart from that, after going through Juvenile Justice Act, individual care plan has been discussed in Juvenile Justice Act. Juvenile Justice Act Section 2H. Section 2H says, Yes. No. Sorry, this morning I have gone through it. Child, sorry, it is 2D, 2 not HD. Child in need of care and protection. I am sorry for having consumed the time. The early hours I read it. Means child who is found without home, begging, all these things. Then who was parent or guardian, or such parent is unfit or incapacity to exercise control, then they say this is child care and protection. Then kindly see section 81G. 81G. The district child protection unit shall coordinate and implement all child rights and protection activities at district level. Then they say, assess the number of children, difficulties of creating district to monitor trends and pattern of children difficulty circumstances. Facilitate transfer of children at all levels for either their restoration to their families or placing the child in long or short term rehabilitation through institutional adoption, foster care or sponsorship. This what I want, that an application may be placed before the district child protection unit for facilitate the children for restoration to families. That's what I given to understand. Then section 87G says developing a care plan for every child in connection with the juvenile child following up the implementation. So they have to take care of the children with his parents. That's what I understand. Then 88, the duties of house father or house mother. To general duties, functions respect of house father, home house care shall be as follows: handling juvenile with care, love and affection, taking proper care and juvenile or child, maintaining discipline. All these things are there. So this is implementing daily routine. This what handling the juvenile with love and affection. In order to implement this, the child board may be directed to take care of the child. This is what I understand. After going through again, I will come to discuss the very same subject because I am little bit confused. Best wishes.